Hello everyone, it's Susan with Organizing with Susan, and today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my mini happy planner. I am currently using the Supermom, and I have kind of put in, I actually purchased 2 of these, so I've kind of franken-planned October, November, and December. So here's my month, which typically has my holidays, my bill days, birthdays, paydays, etc. And then this was last week, which I've actually got to add some pictures to it, which I thought I would do here. And so now we're going to go into the week of the 8th through the 15th. Okay, so let's get this pulled out and we will get started. In today's plan with me, I will be using these 3 sticker books. We have the Supermom multi-pack, the mini Supermom, and then this is the new Brights sticker book that was just released. It actually came out of the Dates and Holidays sticker book. I'm also going to be going through my stash of functional stickers from various Etsy shops. Okay, I think I am done. I will just keep adding. So what we'll do here, put this in. And so I've got you next week. It turned out really cute. And then this will be my little sheet of meals. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's just, you know, a lot of functional stickers. I don't have too much going on. I will do gratitude up here instead of meals, and I'll do my meals on here with my grocery list there. But yeah, I think it turned out cute. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the section below. Other than that, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.